Welcome to maadaa.ai, your trustable one-stop data services platform in the autonomous driving sector. We are passionate about driving the future with our advanced tools and scenario-based datasets. When it comes to autonomous driving data collection strategies, we boast an extensive portfolio of dashcam data capture cases, embracing all weather and road conditions. We also excel in fisheye camera collection and annotation, focusing on parking space scenarios. And in terms of driver monitoring system, DMS, and occupancy monitoring system, OMS, data collection, we have a wealth of experience.
Dashcam video data collection and annotation.
Variable road scenarios, including highways, crossroads and other road scenes. A variety of weather conditions, including sunny days, rainy days and others. GoPro 4K 30 frames per second. The video view position was above the roof of the car in the main driver's position and varied in height. Comprehensive labeling of objects, including cars, humans, electric bicycles, buses, trucks and other 10 labeling categories, including most types of roads.
Fisheye camera collection.
Different parking scenarios include parallel parking, perpendicular parking, fuzzy parking, and fishbone parking. For 190 degrees cameras cover the perimeter of the vehicle. Multiple labeling techniques are proposed, encompassing bounding boxes, B-box, 24-point polygon annotations, semantic segmentation, and instance segmentation. Annotations typically include entities like vehicles, pedestrians, traffic lights, and traffic signs. Different environments, such as indoor and outdoor parking spaces, are taken into account. For parking scenarios, annotations encompass parking lines, associated road surfaces, and any vehicles, pedestrians, or static objects visible in the images.
DMS and OMS.
Cameras are strategically positioned to monitor both the driver's face, upper body, and the entire cabin. Infrared sensors enhance monitoring in low-light or nighttime conditions. Specialized cameras with infrared capabilities for the driver and wide-angle cameras for the cabin view analyze the driver's eye movement, detecting signs of drowsiness or distraction. Recognize the driver and adjust vehicle settings. Determine seat occupancy, ensuring seat belts are fastened and deciding on airbag deployment in case of an accident. Identify and send alerts for unattended occupants or if children or pets are left in the vehicle. maadaa.ai's global data collection and labeling network spans more than 40 countries, allowing maadaa.ai to provide standardized AI data collection, processing, labeling, acceptance, and delivery services to industrial customers. maadaa.ai is looking forward to helping our customers efficiently capture, process, and manage data, carry on model training, in order for fast and low-cost AI technology introduction.